Are you looking for the top 5 ice rollers for puffiness, redness, and wrinkles? When you search for the best ice roller facial massage tools, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to truly understand what actually works and what just looks good, you need to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1. Fronner Ice Roller for Face and Eyes. Priced at just $7.98, what caught my attention was its promise of soothing skincare and relaxation. If you want to revitalize your skin and reduce puffiness, this is worth a serious look. This roller promotes a youthful-looking complexion by boosting circulation, which helps reduce fine lines and gives your skin a healthy glow. The cooling effect minimizes the appearance of pores, and it's perfect for calming redness and tired eyes, just what you need after a long day. Plus, with over 6,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many people are finding this helpful. Now, some users mentioned that the plastic material feels a bit flimsy compared to metal rollers. Here's the thing though, while it may not have that premium feel, it still does the job well and is super lightweight, making it easy to handle. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly way to tackle puffiness and redness. Skip this one if you prefer a more robust metal option. For the price.
Product number 2, ice globes for facials. Next, we have the ice globes for facials, retailing at $19.99. I was drawn to these unbreakable steel cooling rollers. If you're serious about tackling dark circles and wrinkles, this one deserves your attention. These cryo sticks are designed to glide over your face, providing a cooling sensation that can stimulate collagen production and reduce puffiness. Using these regularly can actually help improve skin texture and elasticity, which is a big deal if you're worried about aging skin. Plus, they're unbreakable, so no need to worry about them cracking if you drop them. However, I did find some feedback mentioning they can feel a bit heavy for some users. But honestly, I think the weight actually helps with the massage effect. It gives a deeper treatment compared to lighter rollers. This is great for you if you want a more professional treatment feel at home. Skip this if you prefer something lighter and more portable. The quality makes it worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be product number 3, Lee Shine Ice Roller Set. Coming in at $14.99 is the Lee Shine Ice Roller Set for face and eyes. The pink design caught my eye, but what really matters is the dual roller aspect. If you're looking to pamper yourself while reducing puffiness, this set is worth considering. This set includes 2 rollers, which means you can have one at home and one for travel. The cold therapy helps to shrink pores and calm inflammation, making it perfect for sensitive skin types. Many users appreciate how it glides smoothly across the skin, enhancing the absorption of your favorite serums or moisturizers. A downside I saw in reviews was that some users found the rollers a bit hard to clean. But I'll be real with you, if you're diligent about cleaning after each use, it shouldn't be a huge issue. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go and need a quick, effective solution for your skincare routine. Skip this if you prefer a single roller to keep things simple.
Product number 4, Fronner Ice Roller Second Version. Next is another option from Fronner, priced at $8.95. It looks similar to the first one, but focuses more on tightening and brightening your complexion. If you're keen on lifting your skin while reducing wrinkles, this roller deserves a look. This ice roller is designed to calm your skin and reduce under-eye puffiness. The cooling touch not only feels amazing, but also works to enhance your skincare routine, helping to absorb products better. Users report visible improvements in their skin tone, which is fantastic if you're looking for a natural glow. That said, some reviewers mentioned that the roller can be a bit small for larger areas of the face. But honestly, I think this smaller size makes it easier to target problem areas, so it's not really a deal breaker for me. This is perfect for you if you want a simple solution to tighten your skin. Skip this if you need something larger for full face treatments. For under $10,
Product number 5, Wonder Win 2-Pack Ice Roller. Lastly, we have the Wonder Win 2-Pack Ice Roller for $9.99. This caught my eye for its dual pack feature, ideal for using on both your face and body. If you're looking for a versatile option to combat wrinkles and puffiness, this could be your best bet. With an ergonomic design and large roller head, this ice roller is filled with cooling gel that provides a refreshing experience. It's perfect for morning use to eliminate facial puffiness and can also help with headaches or migraines.
Many users love its ability to shrink pores and calm irritation, making it a go-to tool for daily skincare. However, some users found that the cooling effect doesn't last as long as they hoped. But here's the thing, the ease of use and convenience make up for that shortcoming, as you can easily refreeze it anytime. This is perfect for you if you want a practical tool for both face and body. Skip this if you're... So to quickly recap, we started with the affordable Fronner Ice Roller, moved on to the unbreakable Ice Globes, then the Lee Shine set for travel, followed by another Fronner roller focusing on brightening, and wrapped up with the versatile Wonder Wind 2-pack. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.